If you are new to using Google Chrome and want to update your Google Chrome, let me walk you through the simple steps that you need to take to update your Google Chrome browser on your PC or laptop. So as you can see here, I have Google Chrome here. And in order to update the browser, we click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says help, hover over it, and you will see the options in the list here. You want to click on the option that says about Google Chrome. Clicking that, it's going to take you over to this page where it's going to now start to check for updates, and it's going to show you the current version that you have and the official build, and it's going to try to update it. If there's a new version available, it's going to update it for you. As you can see, it's doing that for myself, and it's at 50%. And so guys, all we really have to do is just wait for it to update. So this is how you actually can update your Google Chrome browser, by simply clicking the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to where it says help, and you will hover over that and go to the about. It's going to update it. Once it's finished, as you can see, it's going to ask you to relaunch Google Chrome, and once you click on that, that's going to relaunch, and that's all that you have to do to update your Google Chrome.